Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you several easy ways to convert HEIC images into JPG on your Mac without installing any extra software. Let's know first what is HEIC file. HEIC stands for High Efficiency Image Container. Apple uses this format because it provides excellent image quality while taking up much less storage space than traditional JPG files. That's why converting it to JPG is often necessary. Let's come to the method number first. Convert HEIC to JPG using preview. Simply you can see here the HEIC file .heic. Simply double click on it and open it. Now you can see it is open on preview. Now on the menu bar you can see here file. Simply click on it. Now under file you can see here export option. Click on export. Now from here you can see a format. Just from here you can see here JPG. Just select the format and then simply click on save. That's it. Now you can see here the JPG file is converted. Now let's come to the method number 2. Convert using the photo app. Open the photo app. Now the file you want to convert, just drag it on the photo app first and then click on import. Now you can see here the file. Just select it. Now click on the menu bar file option again. Now you can see here export. Under export you can see here export one photo. Simply click on it. Now you can see here photo kind. It is JPEG automatically selected. Nothing to do here. Just change the file name here. If you want to change it, use title. Then simply click on export. That's it. Now select the directory where you want to export this photo and then click on export. That's it. Your photo will be exported. I will show you. I have exported it on the downloads. You can see here the file hand mirror small.jpeg. Okay. Now let's come to the method 3. Use quick actions. If you are using a newer version of macOS, you may also have quick actions available. Simply right click on the HEIC file. Now you can see here quick actions. Under quick actions you can see here convert image. Just simply click on convert image. Now you can see here the format. Just change the format from here. Select JPEG. Then simply click on convert. That's it. Now you can see here on my desktop. Now let's know why convert HEIC to JPG. Here are some common reasons people convert it. First, uploading photos to websites that does not support HEIC format. Second, sending images to Windows users. Third, editing photos in software that only accepts JPG. And sharing photos on older devices, printing images through certain services. JPG is still the most widely supported image format across almost every platform. And that's how you can easily convert HEIC images to JPG on your Mac, whether you are converting one photo with preview or hundreds using a free batch converter. You can use a free batch converter tool. These methods are quick, simple and completely beginner friendly. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to How to Tech Hub for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.